These are the Kai YF1035 garden shears. They're a must-have for your harvesting work. The features include a ribbed handle for better grip, double-purpose ring for storage and locking, adjustable blade opening to reduce hand fatigue. They're spring-loaded for assisted opening, and they have removable blades for cleaning. To remove the blade, squeeze and lock the handles. Move the width adjustment lever all the way up, rotate the side black locks outward, and pull the blades straight out. Reverse the process to reassemble. These harvesting shears are made with Kai's world-famous blade quality.